Friendly reminder, always keep the water tap open, even when using only the dry program. Why does the time change after I start the program? The machine dynamically detects the temperature and weight of the laundry to adjust the program time accordingly. When you first select a program, the display shows the time for a full load. However, the machine will reweigh the load before adding water, and the time will be adjusted based on the actual weight of the clothes. If the machine is overloaded, it may affect performance, and the drying time might be longer. In such cases, you can also manually add extra drying time if needed. Why does the drying process continue even though the clothes seem fully dry? Several factors can cause this to happen. Material thickness. Certain materials, like towels, take longer to dry due to their thickness and composition. Cooling phase. When the display shows 0:01, this indicates the final minute is reserved for a cooling phase. Dynamic adjustments. The machine continuously detects the temperature and weight of the load to adjust drying time accordingly. Most importantly, for safety reasons, never force the door open immediately after the drying process. Wait for the temperature to cool down before opening the door. What should I do if my washing machine is making abnormal noises and vibrating? Abnormal noises and vibrations are usually caused by a few common factors. Check for metal items. Ensure there are no metal objects, like coins or keys, left in pockets, as they can cause noise during the wash cycle. Overloading. The drum may be overloaded with clothes, which can lead to excessive vibrations. Try reducing the load and running the machine again. Why doesn't the washer-dryer heat up? Ensure that a temperature setting has been selected. If you choose the Wash Plus program, remember to press the Dry button before starting the cycle to enable both washing and drying. Alternatively, you can simply select the Wash Plus Dry program for a more convenient one-step process. Tip: before each wash, check your clothes for any foreign objects such as coins, rings, paper, or tissues. Remove these items before placing your clothes in the drum. Additionally, clean the drain once a month to prevent blockages caused by any foreign objects. Thank you for choosing a MOVON. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out via our live chat at www.movon.com.my. We're here to help.
Move on.